Hello everyone, welcome to the second session on Switch On Your Superhero Personality. You might be very curious and you might be thinking about how can I switch on or switch off a personality. So let the curiosity be there and hold it for some time because we are going to walk through a wonderful exercise which is going to keep you thinking that you are such a magical creature. Your brain is such a magical thing that you can use for your own good. So let us dive in without wasting any time. Heroes are made by the path they choose, not the powers that they are graced with. We all are graced with incredible power. Okay, so this is said by Iron Man, not me. But yes, we all are graced with unique powers, unique gifts that we are here to serve to the society, to the world out there. But what happens is we do not choose the right path sometimes. Okay, we hold back our dreams, we hold back our skill set, we hold back our aspirations. We think that we will certainly do it at some point in time when we grow up, maybe when we settle down, when we have enough money and blah blah blah. So rather than doing that, how can you trigger your superhero personality without changing your routine or leaving the job or having a very heavy investment, nothing like that, but how can you just start a very little trigger of your superhero personality that we are going to learn today. So, do we have multiple personalities? So, I'm not talking about the multiple personality disorder here, but yes, do we have multiple personalities? Mm, yes, we do. How? I will give you some examples and prove it. So, just imagine when you are in your office and your boss comes in and pokes nose into every work of yours or picks out mistakes and tells you do this, do that, do this. You get that angst inside. You are angry. But what do? You do not just turn and say, shut up. You do not do that. Why? Because that is your personality inside the office. When you are at home and your child is nagging, once, daddy, daddy, mama, mama, daddy, daddy, mama, mama, twice, thrice, fourth time. And the fifth time, what do? Shut up. How this nagging is different from the nagging there? The personality changed. Your perception changed. Your brain knows how can you behave where. Okay. Another example. When you are inside a restaurant, you behave differently. When you are on a discotheque, you behave differently. When you are in a wedding barat, you completely behave like a different person. When you are at a temple or church or mosque, you behave differently. Why do you do so? Because you have different personality. Your brain knows how to behave where. So what can we get from it? We get that we can train our brain in such a way that it behaves in a certain manner when we want. When you were in school, you were like very young, 3 4 years of age, but still you knew that when it is in assembly, you stand straight in a queue. Your brain understands it. So we will use that power of your brain to understand that we can program how to behave where into something very productive and which is going to help us in our journey of success. So, is it possible to switch on your superhero personality? Yes, definitely it is. That is what we are going to talk about today, that we can switch on and switch off our superhero personality as per our wish. What it takes is practice, and the basic rule book I'm going to tell you about it, but yes, practice is the key. So what are the benefits of this? The benefits is I can train myself to behave in a certain manner in certain circumstances intentionally. Before this, prior to this, everything was happening, but that was not intentional. You were never given an intentional training that if you want to enter a temple, you should take off your shoes, footwear. You do it automatically because you learn it from the environment. You were never taught to sit quietly inside the classroom. Nobody came and gave you literal instructions or a presentation or a rule book when you entered the school. You learned it over the time. So all these things went on unintentionally, and you started creating, your brain started creating connections like, okay, this is okay to do here, this is not okay to do there. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to intentionally do it, and this is very beneficial because now your brain knows well ahead in time that what I'm going to behave like. So when I talk about my superhero personality, the first and foremost requirement to it is I should know that how this superhero personality of mine would look like. What would be the traits of it? You are going to get a lot of, a big huge list of all these traits which are commonly accepted as superhero personality traits, so that it gives you a good idea where you should lead your thoughts to in the execution video which you are getting along with this. So the traits, for an example, for my superhero personality are: my superhero personality is confident and focused. These are the two things that I always want myself to be when I am into the business space or I am into my workspace. And that is where I want to perform like a superhero all the time. So when I'm recording this video, I have my diary and my pen with me. I'll tell you why. The next is anchors to my superhero personality. Now I know that my superhero personality is confident and focused. The next thing is, when will the superhero personality trigger on? It should not be on for the 24 hours, because it will dilute my power, and I will start taking this game, this is kind of a game, I will start taking it lightly and for granted, which I do not want to. So what can I do is I can anchor, or I can assign certain external physical things, gadgets or something, as a carrier of my superhero personality. So the brain, see, this is all a game happening for your brain to believe that it happens, and eventually it actually happens. I've practiced it for over 2 years now, and it works for me. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to give some anchors to your superhero personality here. These anchors can be anything, starting from your diary, your pen, your spectacles, anything that you wear for a specific time in the entire day. It should not be your engagement ring which you always wear, because it is always there in your hand and it will dilute the effect of the game. Okay, so for me it is my pen and my diary. Whenever I sit on my desk with my pen and my diary, I ignite, or I anchor the superhero personality which is focused and confident. So whenever I do crucial work of my life, whatever I do, I always have one diary of mine along with a pen. Okay, so that reminds me that I am super confident and super focused. Okay, so this is how you can train your brain too. For more examples about traits and anchors, you will see all of them in the execution video. Satyam has exhibited everything in such a simple way that you are going to just love it. The next is my superhero personality mantra. I should always believe in something when I am in that particular zone of being a superhero for myself. I usually do it for just a couple of hours every day. I do not keep my pen and diary with me throughout the day, okay? Because I do not want to lose that focus and confidence even for a single minute. So this powerful thing has a mantra to it. For me, my mantra is I can figure out anything. So let the problem be anything out of this world. Maybe starting from family to business to personal to professional, anything, let it be. If I am into my superhero personality, I know that I can figure it all. Okay, I can figure out it all. I can do everything. So every problem seems to me like, before I encounter any problem, this mantra is there in my head that I can figure out everything. So this problem looks so small. Before even knowing the problem, I have the confidence that I can figure it out. Okay, so you should have a very small mantra for your superhero personality, which you remind yourself every single day so that it becomes kind of a habit. So, this trio of having your traits, that how do you want your superhero personality to behave like? The second is to know that what are the anchors which will remind you of your superhero personality. And third, the mantra that you will affirm, that you will believe in, which will make you different from the whole rest of the crowd. So there are some rules in creating this mantra. The first one is no negative words. There should be no negative words in it. Okay, you cannot say that I will not get angry is my mantra. Okay, I am calm and composed can be your mantra. I am calm and composed in any situation can be your mantra. So you cannot use no and not and doesn't and cannot type of things. It should be in a very positive sentence. The next is it should be in present tense. I will be healthy is not the right mantra. I am getting healthier every single day can be a mantra. The next is it should be a very short sentence. A lot of us, we are so eager to do it all at the same time. So we can create an affirmation which is like, I can do this and blah and blah and blah and blah. If you increase the number of things, you're diluting your power, my friend. Anywhere, I will repeat this term 1,000 times when you are in touch with me. Okay, so when you increase the list, you are diluting your power. So please do not do that. Stick it to one or two traits that you are directly focusing on and you want to achieve them. Okay, so that is very powerful. So these are the mantra rules. You can apply the mantra rules and create your trio of 3 things. You will get very simple execution video. All the steps are very super simple in that. Watch it and create your own superhero personality today, now, before the next session is up. Okay, because we are into this workshop to execute. We are not here to just listen to. You can listen to all this yarn on YouTube somewhere. Okay, but why, what makes us different is we are walking with you in this workshop. Okay, and you are executing every single step with us. So we have the whole team has contributed over 1,000 hours of study and research to structureize the whole program. So please do not miss any single bit of it. You cannot afford doing that and you would not want to. So thank you so much for watching this session. Get excited for the execution video which is along with this. It will not consume much of your time. You can do it very easily and very quickly. See you in the next session. Till then, have a wonderful time ahead and take care of yourself. Bye bye.